Hi guys, so today's video would be about Sun Market. So basically, Justin Sun has released his own token, Sun Market. Okay, so basically it's called Sun token, and then he's going to make it similar to Bitcoin of Tron. That's what he claims. Yeah, so what you can do is you can go to Sun Market, sun.market. Okay, let me just go to sun.market, and then when you see sun.market, you see that there's a website which says you can mine Sun here basically. So it is used for mining Sun. So September 2nd, yesterday it started, and then people have started putting in TRX to mine basically. So 5.6 billion TRX has been staked so far, and I've staked 16,000. So okay, so it's quite less when compared to the staked amount. uh, so so when you stake this 16,000 TRX from your side, or whatever you would like to stake, so basically there's a calculation which is there based on the total amount of pre-mined Sun equal to the Sun total supply, and then pre-mined percentage. So basically it's still unclear, but the point is there is a calculation which takes place based on how much amount you stake, and based on how many days that you stake, there is a calculation done, and the Sun tokens are given to you. So and the Sun token is going to be launched on September 16th. So once that is done, so basically if you see, yeah, it's over here, and 14 days later you can withdraw the staked amount that you have. So basically you are staking in your TRX just to mine Sun token, and on September 16th, once the token is released, you can unstake your staked TRX so far, and then you would get the amount of Sun that you would receive for the staked amount to your wallet. Or you can go ahead and then go to Genesis Mining, go here, and then enter the amount of TRX that you want to stake, and then once after the staking is done, and once the token releases, you can go and claim those tokens. So it is yet to come, so it would be starting on September 17th. So once the token is released on 16th, from 17th you can start claiming back your TRX again, and it will come back to your wallet. So basically you're staking in, generating the Sun tokens, and then taking back your amount, stake TRX, and then get few Sun tokens based on the amount you stake. So that's the platform basically, and it is, as it is Justin Sun's token, I hope it would go uh, up immediately once it launches, so there would be a hype on it. So guys, you can look into this Sun Market or Sun Market or Sun.io. So both the websites are live where you can start staking. Okay, okay guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank